Watch closely now. You have to anticipate the movement of the water. Right there. Looks like we make a pretty good team, huh?
The best fishing buddies in the city.
Welcome, everyone. We have the freshest fish in the city tonight, caught just this evening. Look at these sardines. The cat offered his heart, symbolized by the freshest fish. But the seagull rejected his advances, so the little seagull flew away and the cat remained alone.
I'm sad because of a seagull I fell in love with. She was so beautiful, but we can never be together. Anche lui è innamorato e soffre per questo.
Welcome everyone to Il Pesce e il Gatto!
We have the freshest seagull dishes in the city.